relationship. Hazrat Data Aliyavari Ganjabakra Allah said that in whichever house these three things are found, poverty, scarcity of sustenance, risk, and lack of blessings inevitably enter that home. Relationship. Such a home never sees prosperity or abundant risk. Relationship. But there is also one thing, when that one thing is present in our home, wealth begins to pour into it. Risk and money never cease from such a home. Dear brothers and sisters, in today's video, relationship, we will tell you in the light of Islamic teachings about the three unfortunate things that bring poverty into the home. Relationship. These three things, wherever they are found, bring financial hardship, lack of provision, and barakah disappears. Relationship. Wealth and risk simply do not enter that home. Relationship. We will also tell you about the one thing that, when present in any home, causes wealth to rain down like a torrential downpour. Relationship. According to Islamic teachings, while everything is indeed created by Allah, relationship, some things bring barakah into a person's life while others bring misfortune and lack of blessings. Just as all days are created by Allah, relationship, but some are ordinary and others are extremely virtuous. Similarly, relationship, some things when present in a person's life or home become a cause of destruction and disaster. There is a saying in Turkey, relationship, never bring a girl from a poor home into your household through marriage, because she will bring habits that could make you poor too. Now, relationship. Let's first talk about the three things that bring poverty, scarcity of risk, and misfortune into the house. Relationship. Then I will tell you about the one thing that brings wealth and prosperity. First thing, hair clumps. Relationship. The first thing whose presence in a home causes scarcity of risk and poverty is clumps of hair. You may have noticed, relationship, especially in homes with women who usually have long hair. When they comb their hair, many strands fall out. While men also lose hair. Relationship. Since the hair is usually short, it doesn't form into visible clumps. When women with long hair comb, a large amount of hair accumulates into clumps. Relationship. Usually these clumps are thrown into the trash. But due to their light weight, relationship, these clumps can sometimes blow around the house, or many times women don't even bother to dispose of them properly. Relationship. They just throw them around the yard or inside the home. Dear brothers and sisters, relationship, you must have seen such hair clumps in your home or in the homes of relatives. Many people feel disgusted when they see these. Relationship, they are unpleasant to look at. But do you know, hair clumps are not just unappealing, they are spiritually damaging. Relationship, they can destroy and devastate homes. Rahimullah Alihi said that the house where hair clumps are often found becomes a home of poverty. Relationship. Why are hair clumps so ominous? Here's the reason. Relationship. Our own relatives sometimes perform black magic or evil spells on us, or we may be afflicted by the evil eye, and hair clumps are extremely vulnerable to black magic. They easily absorb such dark energies, even if someone casts a mild spell or evil eye. Relationship. These clumps act as a conduit to make that magic take effect in the home. When hair clumps are present, magic works very quickly and evil enters the home very easily. Relationship. You may have heard elderly people say girls should never comb their hair under the open sky. Relationship. The reason is when they comb, hair falls all out and evil spirits and jinn become attracted to the fallen strands. Relationship. In the same way, jinn and devils are drawn to these clumps. That's why if hair clumps are present in your home, immediately get rid of this habit. Relationship. Instruct the women in your home or anyone with long hair to collect and dispose of fallen hair properly outside the home in a trash bin. Relationship. Never let hair clumps remain inside the house. Hair clumps not only disgust you, but they also block your risk and can bring about ruin and destruction. Relationship. Second thing, leftover bones after meals. The second thing that brings poverty, scarcity of risk, misfortune, relationship, problems and diseases into the home is leftover bones after meals. We all eat meals, especially when meat is cooked. Whether it's chicken, relationship, beef or mutton, there are always leftover bones. Now, what usually happens, especially after dinner, women collect these bones, place them in a bag, relationship, and leave them in a kitchen corner or in the trash bin inside the house. It may seem normal, but if you ask someone spiritually aware, a relationship, a pious elder or scholar, they will tell you that these leftover bones, especially when left overnight inside the home, are very dangerous. Relationship. These bones don't just bring scarcity of rizq, they also invite misfortunes, problems, and serious illnesses. How bones are the favorite food of jinn. Just as humans eat meat, jinn eat bones. Relationship. Evil spirits also consume bones, especially the bad jinn who are extremely attracted to rotten or discarded bones. Relationship. So when we leave these bones in our kitchen or somewhere inside the house overnight, relationship, the evil jinn from nearby areas who have a powerful sense of smell are drawn into our homes. Relationship. Those evil jinn and spirits will be drawn to the scent of bones present in your home at night. After that, relationship, those evil entities will begin to enter your house. And once they enter, they settle in your home. Relationship, because it's obvious wherever they find their favorite food, why would they ever leave? Relationship. And when these evil jinn and spirits make your home their dwelling, they bring along all kinds of troubles and hardships. Relationship. They will cut off the rich provision from your home. Blessings will vanish and scarcity will take over. Diseases will begin to spread. Relationship. Love and affection between family members will disappear. Constant fights, arguments, and discord will occur. Relationship. So if you truly want to destroy your home and turn prosperity into devastation, then by all means keep leftover bones in your house after eating. Relationship. But if you want to protect your home from poverty, misfortune, scarcity of sustenance, illness, and distress, relationship, then always gather the bones left after meals and immediately throw them outside the home or into a trash bin. Relationship. Never allow bones to remain inside the house overnight. Third thing, you're in stained clothes. Dear brothers and sisters, relationship, the third thing that brings severe poverty and scarcity of sustenance into a home to the point that those living in that house become impoverished and can't even afford basic food is urine-stained clothing. Relationship. Understand carefully what I'm trying to say, because this issue is found in more than 50% of households and it prevents rizq from entering the home. Relationship. We all live in homes with mothers, sisters, daughters, fathers and brothers. What often happens is that in homes where there are small children, urine-stained clothes are common. But here I am not talking about the clothes of babies and as under 2 years of age. Relationship. If they urinate on their clothes and those clothes are lying around, it's not a big issue. But often adults' clothes also get stained with urine. For example, relationship. A few drops may accidentally leak, or people may not clean themselves properly due to lack of water, or being in a place where cleanliness isn't possible. Relationship. So urine ends up on their clothes. Now, according to Islam, urine is considered extremely impure and disgusting. Relationship. It is so serious that urine-stained clothes can lead a person to hellfire. This is how impure it is considered. Relationship. So whenever your clothes get stained with urine, relationship, it becomes obligatory to either change those clothes immediately or wash them, especially the spot where urine has fallen. Relationship. If urine has also touched your body, then a complete bath goal is required. Relationship. But what often happens is people toss the stained clothes aside to be washed later, and they end up lying in the house for 7 to 10 days, either in the laundry basket or in a corner of the room, and come to cause a misfortune and lack of blessings, because aimed clothes attract evil, mysteries and calamities. Relationship. These are the main reasons why evil beings enter the home. They bring along troubles, illnesses, distress, financial hardship and poverty. Relationship. That's why you should never leave your stained clothes lying around in your home. Relationship. Wash them immediately, or at the very least wash the specific part where the stain is. After that, relationship. It's fine to place the clothes in the washing machine for full cleaning. Now the one thing that brings abundant wealth, dear brothers and sisters, relationship. Now let me tell you about that one special thing. When it is found in any home, wealth begins to rain down. The people in that house become wealthy. Relationship. Prosperous. Their financial wishes are fulfilled as if they were destined to come true. So if you want to remove scarcity of rizq from your life, relationship. If you want money and wealth to enter your home, or you want to become wealthy quickly, then adopt this one practice. Once you do, relationship, all your money related problems will vanish. If you have a business, it will start flourishing day and night. If you have a job, you'll get promotion. Relationship. And even if you don't have any source of income, Allah will provide for you from ways you cannot even imagine. A relationship in this miraculous thing is the tasbih of the angel Subi music. Glory is to Allah and all praise is to Him. Glory is to Allah the Most Great. Dear brothers and sisters, relationship. The phrase Subhanallah in this tasbih is so powerful that all of Allah's creations across all realms are granted sustenance because of this blessed word. Relationship. So in whichever home this tasbih is regularly recited, wealth never ceases. Relationship. Even if you recite it just 10 or 11 times in the morning or before sleeping at night, your home will be filled with barakah. Relationship. But especially after Fajr prayer, if you make it a habit to recite this task 100 times, Allah, you will begin to see miraculous results. Relationship, not just in rich, but in all areas of life, cars, homes, money, wealth, relationship. Everything will increase so much that you will be overwhelmed with how much you've received. So dear brothers and sisters, relationship, introduce this one thing into your home and you'll never need any other wafer. Rizq and wealth will pour down upon you like heavy rain. Relationship, if you found this video message beneficial, write Subhanallah in the comments. Relationship, press the like button and subscribe to the Islamic Essence YouTube channel for more videos. Relationship, and don't forget to share this message with your friends on all these networks.